All right, let's talk about a design challenge that so many of us face, picking the perfect green for an IKEA kitchen. It's so popular, but wow, it can be confusing. With all these subtle shades and different styles, it is way too easy to get lost. So today, we're going to dive in and decode them all together.
You've been there, haven't you? Staring at that wall of cabinet doors. They're all some shade of green, and they just start to blur together. They look so similar, but you know, this one choice is going to define the entire feel of your home. How in the world are you supposed to choose?
Well, that's exactly what we're here for. We're going to cut right through all that confusion. We're taking that jumble of options and those technical codes and turning it into a clear, confident decision you can feel great about.
So the challenge isn't just about picking a color you like. It's the fact that these doors, even though they look alike at first, have these really crucial differences in the material, the finish, the exact shade of green. And these little details completely change how light and life are going to play out in your new kitchen. But here's the secret weapon. You don't need to be a professional designer to crack the code. Nope. We just need to understand three key things to totally master these choices: the style of the door, that specific color code, and the light reflecting finish. Think of it as our secret decoder ring. First up, the color code. Now, don't worry, we are not doing a chemistry lesson here, I promise. Just look at that first four-digit number. A higher number, like the 7005 we see here, generally points to a darker, more saturated, and, yeah, more dramatic color. A lower number, well, that just means lighter and brighter. Simple as that. Okay, now this is where it gets really interesting. The finish, and it's all measured in something called gloss level. The best way to think about it is like this. A gloss level of 5 is like chalk. It just soaks up the light for a really deep, velvety look. But a level 25 is more like an eggshell, and it gives off this soft, welcoming glow. This one detail can totally change the mood of the entire room. Okay, so we've got our decoder ring. Let's put it to the test. We're going to start with what I'm calling the modern minimalist trio. All three of these share a really clean, contemporary look, but as you're about to see, they have very distinct personalities. First up is ASPUDDEN. I always think of this one as the strong, silent architectural type. You see, it's mostly flat, but it's got this super subtle frame detail that's designed to catch shadows. It gives it this sophisticated, structured look that feels really custom and high-end. And the specs really tell the story here. It's got that high number in its color code, so you know it's a deep, great green. But then you pair that with the Ultramat finish, that gloss level of 5, and you get this incredibly premium, velvety surface that just drinks in the light. And on a practical note, a finish like this is amazing at hiding fingerprints, which makes it perfect for that sleek, moody look without needing to wipe it down constantly. Next in our modern group, we've got NICKEBO. This one is the practical, functional workhorse of the bunch. It's designed with these clean, straight lines, and it's absolutely perfect for a handleless setup if you want that seamless, ultra-modern vibe. So its color code is a little bit lighter, putting it right in that popular sage green territory that everyone loves. And with a satin matte finish, that's a gloss level of 10, it has just enough sheen to make the color pop a little bit, while still being incredibly easy to clean. This makes it a fantastic choice for busy, high-traffic kitchens where, life actually happens. And the final member of our modern trio is HAVSTORP. This one is just pure, unadulterated minimalism. It's a completely flat front for a really bold, seamless look. I'd say it's easily the most dramatic of the three. And look at this. This is a perfect example of the power of those color codes. With the highest number yet, S8005, this is the darkest green of them all. Seriously, in low light, it can look almost black, which creates this moody, sophisticated, and very bespoke feeling. And that satin finish gives it this beautiful, smooth texture that just feels luxurious to the touch. Okay, let's switch gears a bit. We're moving from modern minimalism to the timeless, traditional duo. These two kitchens blend classic styles with all the good stuff from modern materials and technology, and they offer a whole different kind of charm. First up is AXSTAD. This is that classic shaker style you see absolutely everywhere, and for good reason. It's timeless. It's got that simple, functional design with a recessed center panel. It feels traditional, but IKEA's given it a really modern, durable twist. And here is that modern twist I was talking about. The surface is a super durable, recycled plastic foil. Now you pair that with a matte finish, yep, that low gloss level of 5 again, and it means that sophisticated gray-green color stays really consistent with no distracting glare on the door's decals. This durability makes it an amazing choice for families with kids or pets, anywhere you need a kitchen that looks great but can handle some serious wear and tear. And our final kitchen front is STENSUND. You know, if AXSTAD is the timeless classic, STENSUND is its bright, cheerful country cousin. It's got that charming beadboard effect, those vertical grooves, that just instantly gives a space a warm, rustic, and really airy feel.
Now check out these specs. It has the lowest color code number of the bunch, which makes it our lightest green. But the real story here is that gloss level of 25. This is our eggshell finish, and it reflects a ton of light. This combination of a light color and a higher gloss is such a powerful design tool. It makes it the perfect choice for brightening up smaller or darker kitchens and just making them feel so much more spacious.
Okay, we've decoded the styles, we've decoded the colors, and we've decoded the finishes. Now it's time for the aha moment, where we bring it all together for one final crystal clear comparison. This right here, this is your ultimate cheat sheet. It brings everything we've just talked about into one clear view. So if you're craving that moody, architectural vibe and you love a finish that hides fingerprints, ASPUDDEN's Ultramat is your go-to. If you've got a busy family kitchen that has to withstand the test of time, AXSTAD's durable foil and classic design is a clear winner. And if you're looking to make a smaller or darker space feel bigger and brighter, STENSUND's light color and reflective silk finish will work absolute wonders. It's all right here, decoded and ready for you to decide. So, you see, the choice isn't really just about picking a color anymore, is it? It's about picking a personality. It's about choosing between a moody, light-absorbing finish and a bright, light-reflecting one, between a sleek, modern front and a timeless, traditional one. Now that you've cracked the code, the only real question left is, which one of these greens truly tells your story?